Take a good look at this influencer. She travels the world, she lands brand deals, and she's making tens of thousands of dollars a month. But here's the secret. She isn't real. Not one single pixel of her is. And the most incredible part? The power to create someone just like her is, right now, in your hands.
So what really happens when the line between a real person and a digital one just completely disappears? I mean, this isn't some sci-fi movie anymore. It's the new reality of social media. We are seeing AI personalities build audiences in the millions, land deals with the world's biggest brands, and just totally rewrite the rules of influence.
And when we talk about success, just look at this number. This isn't a one-time thing or a yearly salary.
No, this is the potential monthly income for one of these top-tier AI personalities. They are out-earning a huge number of human creators, and they don't even exist. So the real question is, how is this even possible?
Well, that's exactly what we're breaking down today. We're going to start by looking at the incredible rise of these AI influencers. Then I'll show you the new tools that put this kind of power in anyone's hands. We'll actually walk through the step-by-step blueprint for creating a digital human, and finally, we'll look ahead at how this is about to change, well, everything.
So first up, we're seeing a completely new breed of creator emerge, one that's literally born from data and algorithms. But what exactly are they?
To put it simply, an AI influencer is a personality that is built entirely by artificial intelligence. Their face, their voice, the things they say, the places they go, none of it is physically real. It is all generated code, specifically designed to be perfectly compelling.
And don't mistake this for some gimmick. They are incredibly effective. We're seeing them build huge communities and sign deals with major brands. And why? Well, from a brand's perspective, they offer the ultimate advantage: perfect consistency. An AI character never has a scandal, never gets tired, and can be ready for a photo shoot in any location at any time.
Which brings us to the engine behind all this magic. What's actually in the new creator's toolbox that makes building a digital human like this possible?
So how do you actually build a photorealistic person from absolutely nothing? You'd think it requires a Hollywood VFX studio. But what's changed, and the whole reason we're talking about this right now, is that the barrier to entry has been completely obliterated.
The key is a new wave of these all-in-one AI platforms. The tool we're looking at today is a perfect example. It's called Arcades. It's designed to take you from a simple idea to a finished talking digital person, all within one single interface. All right, let's pull back the curtain. This is the actual step-by-step blueprint for crafting a digital human from the ground up. You know, it really just comes down to 3 core steps. It all starts with designing their appearance. Then you find their voice. And finally, you animate them, bringing them to life with motion and emotion. And amazingly, it all kicks off with just a few words. If you've ever used a text-to-image generator, you know the drill. You simply describe the exact person you want to create.
And just look at the level of detail here. The prompt isn't just "woman by a pool." No, it's specifying Bali, the exact mood, the lighting, even the type of camera lens to simulate. This right here is the key to photorealism. The richness of your description directly translates to the quality of the final image. But the magic doesn't stop with that first image. The real power is in the iteration. So the first result was a close-up, but with a simple command, "make this a full-body picture," the AI just adjusted the shot. Another command, "make the background more tropical," changed the entire environment without losing the character's core identity. It's like you're art directing with your words.
Okay, visuals are locked in. Now it's time to give her a voice. And you do not need to be an audio engineer. You're basically casting the voice from this massive library, just filtering by age, language, and accent until you find the perfect match for the character you've designed.
Then you just type out what you want her to say. See how the script is short, casual, and feels authentic? Just like a real Instagram story. The AI will now generate this line using the voice we just picked out for her.
This next step is where the real magic happens. It's all about fine-tuning the performance. You're not just generating speech, you are directing it. You can dial in emotions, which affects not just the voice, but the facial expressions too. You can tweak the pacing and vocal style, basically turning a robotic reading into something that feels truly human. And just like that, the process is complete. What you have is a photorealistic video, a living character speaking your script, totally ready for social media. The quality is just staggering and honestly, almost impossible to distinguish from a real person.
But creating one single video is just the beginning. The truly game-changing part is what this technology unlocks next. This is where we get a little glimpse into the future of influence itself.
This is where you see the incredible power of scale. Because the character is a digital asset, you can change her entire world with a simple text prompt. One command puts her on an airplane, another puts her in a new outfit for a brand deal. The character's identity stays perfectly consistent, but her context is absolutely limitless.
And this isn't just for lifestyle content. Think about what this means for brands and e-commerce. A huge feature of these platforms is the ability to generate high-quality product videos, like unboxings, completely on demand.
The workflow is just staggering in its simplicity. A brand just needs to upload a single image of their product. The AI then generates a complete, realistic, high-quality video of that product being unboxed in the perfect environment, like a bathroom for skincare or a bedroom for electronics.
And all of this leads to one massive question for the future. When the tools to create a perfect, endlessly customizable, and utterly realistic influencer are in everyone's hands, is the next big star even going to be human? We are entering an era where we have to redefine what real and authentic even mean and decide who or what we're willing to follow.